The rose is red, so bold and bright, it opens wide in morning light. The sunflower's yellow, tall and grand, it turns its face to where you stand. The tulip's pink, a gentle hue, like cotton candy kissed with dew. The daisy's white with golden cheer, it waves hello when spring is near. The violet's purple, small and sweet, it hides where shade and sunlight meet. The marigold's orange, warm and round, it loves to dance close to the ground. The bluebell's blue like skies above, it sings a tune the bees all love. The lily's cream, so calm and fair, it fills the breeze with scented air. The poppy's red with silky glow, it sways so gently to and fro. The orchid's pink or sometimes green, a flower queen in every scene. The hibiscus blooms in fiery red, with frilly petals white and spread. The pansy's petals wear a face like painted masks in flower grace. So many colors, shapes and names, no two flowers are quite the same. They bloom with joy from ground to sky, a rainbow garden passing